The solution to this system was 1, 4. So let's see where that came from. Remember, a solution to the system of linear equations is an x and a y. So whatever, we've got x being 1, y being 4. If you plug that into this system for both equations, it will work. You plug in 1 for x and 4 for y for both equations, you'll get the correct answer. So let's see how that happens. These two equations weren't quite set up perfectly in that 3x's minus 2x's gives us 1x. 3y's plus 3y's is 6y's. And so neither one of those variables eliminated when we just added them the way they were set. And so we have to manipulate it a little bit. Again, it'd be great if instead of 3y and 3y, if it was a positive 3y and a negative 3y, because 3y minus 3y would be 0, and that would eliminate. So let's multiply this second equation here by negative 1. So if I multiply by negative 1, I'm going to distribute through the parentheses to everything inside those parentheses there. There we go. So that second equation, again, I'll rewrite the system here, is going to be 3x plus 3y equals 15. That first equation will stay the same. Now we go to the second equation. Negative 1 times negative 2x, a positive 2x. Negative 1 times a plus 3y minus 3y, which is what we want. And negative 1 times a negative 5, a positive 5. Now I'm going to add those two systems together. 3x's plus 2x's give me 5x's. 3y minus 3y is nothing, which is perfect. That's what I want. The y's are eliminated. 15 plus 5, 20. Divide both sides by 5 to get x all by itself, and I see that x equals 4. So I've got my solution of x equals 4. Oh, and I wrote this incorrectly. I apologize. I flipped these around. Should be 4, 1. No wonder you're watching this video. Okay, so x equals 4. We got the correct answer for x equals 4. Now let's look at y. It doesn't matter which equation you use. We'll use the, doesn't really matter. Might as well use the first one. So 3x, x is 4. So I plug in 4 for x, plus 3y equals 15. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3y equals 15. I can subtract from both sides. So you get that 3y equals 3, right? Yeah, 3. Divide both sides by 3, and sure enough, y equals 1, which is what it should have said originally, 4, 1. We got the right numbers, they're just in the wrong spot. So I lose half a point on that problem. But 4, 1 would be the solution to that system.